Hi, my YouTube friends. I'm Angie with AngieEKnows.com and Surface Design Academy, and welcome back to my channel. Last week on the channel, I finally reached over 500 subscribers, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel. But that calls for a celebration. After looking at the videos on the channel, my most popular video is my introduction to rust dyeing tutorial, and in that video, I showed you how to rust dye, and I used coffee filters. Well, I have a ton of coffee filters left, and I want to share them with one lucky subscriber of the channel. Now, here's what you need to do to enter the giveaway. First, you need to be a subscriber to the channel, so if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe and then hit that bell so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. The second thing is, you need to leave me a comment down below on this video, and I want to know what type of content you want to see in the future. Do you want to see tutorial-based content? Do you want to see project-based, or maybe behind the scenes, or some other type of content? Let me know down below. I create content on this channel because I want to share my knowledge, but if it's not something you're interested in, well, it's not really doing either one of us any good, is it? So leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see on this channel. So those are just two simple things that you need to do. You need to be a subscriber and you need to leave a comment on this video letting me know what type of content you want to see. Now the giveaway will close at midnight on October 3rd, and I will announce the winner in a video on October 4th. So be sure to come back and check that out. Now, due to the cost of postage, I must limit this giveaway to people in the United States. I really wish I didn't have to, but it's just the cost of postage is just so exorbitant these days. Now, the winner will receive a bundle of rust-dyed coffee filters and probably a few other things. I'm going to surprise you on that. So go ahead and enter this contest and let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks for coming to the channel today. I appreciate each and every one of you subscribers. I hope to see you back here again sometime soon. But until then, have a beautiful day. Bye-bye now.